Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream. But you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh, how it feels. Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream. But you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh, how it feels. Instead of letting it go, I let it letting it go. Can't get enough of. They say there's one for everyone, but when the day is done, I'm still the black swan. But I need you like the bird needs a shotgun. If you can't fight it, you better fly away from it. You better fly away from it. You better fly away from it. Letting it go. Fly away from it. Letting it go. Letting it go. You better fly away from it. You better fly away from it. Letting it go. Fly away from it. Letting it go. Letting it go.
So, okay, my friends, we have made our goldenrod honey, and this honey is going to be used in the spring. We're going to be using it to help our allergies in the spring when the flowers start blooming and everything start coming alive. This is when this is going to be needed because goldenrod is very, very excellent for allergies. And so you just want to leave this to infuse, and you can strain it out or you can leave it as is. And when you start sneezing or when you see your eyes running water or something like that, you just want to come out and you just want to take a spoon of that and just swallow it like that, or you can add it in water and drink it, or you can add it in some warm water and drink it, and you can drink as much as you want. It makes your eyes like not water so much, and it helps you to really give you a good relief for your allergy. So like I said, these two things are just amazing. All you need is a goldenrod and you need some honey, and You need some garlic. I like to put the garlic in it because I just find the garlic just helps a lot. It kind of um, helps to unblock your nasal cavity, and it kind of helps to kind of cure any like infections that are maybe in your nasal cavity that is making you to sneeze and cause your eyes to run water or your nose to kind of get clogged up and stuffy up and thing like that. I find the garlic really helps, so I add the garlic with it. So you can play around with it. You can add any other things you want in it, any other herbs or any other medicinal plants that you know that is good for allergies. You can just add that in it and you have a beautiful concoction. And that is what you're going to use for any allergies, any sneezing and stuff like that. You can also infuse this, you can also make the same infusion and you can infuse it in oil, and you can make a salve to put on top of your nose here. Like when you start to sneeze or when your eyes start running water, you can make a salve and rub it on just on the top of your nose and just like on the top of your sinuses here. That works also. You can also make an inhaler with this, infuse it in oil, and you can add some essential oils, and you can add menthol in it, and you can inhale that when your allergies start to act up. So all of that works, but just adding the goldenrod with it, it really makes a difference, and it really relieves your allergy symptoms. So try it and let me know. So guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I will see you in the next video. Stay positive.